Hello, everybody, Princess Bear here, and we're back with another home product review.
This time we're trying Miyoko's cheese.
Yes, Miyokos. You guys have traumatized us for many a year of our flubber of the name, the first video that we did.
It's not traumatized.
It's a little traumatized. I make sure every time now that we do it right. But we have what are some of their old cheeses and one of their new cheeses, which is the Truffle...
Winter Truffle.
Winter Truffle. And then we have classic Chive and Herb.
Garlic herb.
Now we use mozzarella like it was on tap in the house.
And we used to buy these a lot too, but they're kind of pricey.
Yes. These reach around, like, depending on the grocery store you go to, like $9.50 to $10 a pack. And we do charcuterie boards a couple times a year. And we'll usually splurge on these, spend like $100 on a board, just for us.
So let's go ahead and try them.
Now we got our little spread, more weights than one.
Baller spread of cheeses.
Baller spread of cheeses. We call ourselves fancy now. And of course, you can't have cheeses without a good wine. This is Man Family Wines?
Man. Pinotage.
Yes, we found a South African wine that's actually cost effective for us.
It's not as pricey as Painted Wolf, I suppose.
And it's probably only like 2/3 as good, but it's $9 to $10 a bottle, sans like the 17 to 26 that you get with Painted Wolf. But you're not saving wolves though.
No, but you are supporting South African wine.
Yes, and it's a sticker for sustainability and integrity.
Cool.
You like that?
I think I need to make mine even with yours because I did not pour that much.
I'm a heavy pourer.
Okay.
So, you want to we're gonna start with cheeses alone, or you want to do cheese and chips? What do you guys think?
Maybe we should start with the cheeses by themselves.
Cheese by themselves. So, communities left to right, which would be this way. Yeah.
Okay.
Ladies first with the classic Chive.
Guess we could cheers.
Definitely lots of little chive bits in here.
There's a lot of chives in this.
I guess you gotta like chives. Ooh.
Ooh, I like that a lot.
You got chive punch. With just enough cheese.
The cheese makes it like so smooth and silky. The chive is amazing.
Wait, it's in the front of the tongue. Chives for me, it's either like it's not enough or it's too much. This is just right. And the consistency of the cheese,
Good.
it's a real like soft, like spreadable cheese. Very, very creamy.
It says on the package buttery and savory, and it absolutely lives up to that description.
And these are all cashew-based cheeses, so if you have nut allergies, you might want to watch out for these. But what do you think?
I think that's our #1 cheese for right now.
What are you giving it? Just based on its own.
4 out of 5 cheeses.
Ooh. I'm gonna give it a 3.75. I feel like it's good, but I'm excited for these other two. So for now, I'm giving it a 3.75.
Okay.
Cleanse these palates.
It gives like a nice little flavor to the cheese, I feel like, at the end.
The earthiness of Pinotage really goes well with like the super savory cheeses.
So next is the Truffle.
The Winter Truffle, which is the newest one of the bunch. French style.
Mushroom.
I don't know what French style cheeses are, but it's French style.
Maybe it's, well, I think truffles are French. But maybe it's the way that they cooked it.
Okay.
Who knows?
Well, let's dive in here. Truffle's a strong flavor, so I'm kind of afraid of this one.
I feel like I took too big of a piece.
And you do see truffle bits in here, and it smells like truffle.
It smells like mushrooms.
Dirt rooms.
Oh, I'm scared.
Ooh, that's earthy. I eat a lot more truffle than I do cheese in that one. It's creamy like a cheese, but because, again, truffle is a strong flavor, all I get is truffle.
I actually think it balances really nicely.
You think so?
Yeah, I don't think it's too hard on the truffle. I feel like I've had dishes at Disney that go harder on the truffle taste than this.
I would agree.
This is more, to me, like a mild truffle. It's not like in your face as much as like having truffle oil poured on your food or something like that tastes.
Okay, I can get on board with that. I know that mushrooms are such a divisive thing for a lot of people, especially in the vegan community, as far as like flavors and like
I love it,
substitutes
mostly.
for like meat dishes and things like that. Some people like things that we shouldn't try to imitate meat dishes. Some people do. It's a back and forth, and mushrooms seem to fit that role very well. This is just trying to be what it is. It's trying to be truffle, not trying to be anything else in a cheese. I think I kind of like it. I'm gonna give that 4 out of 5 plus. I think I do like it a little bit better than chive.
I don't like it as much as the chive, but I do think it's really good. So I'm going to give it a 3.75 out of 5.
Okay, and then cleanse these palates. Ooh, those go really well together.
They do. Yeah, you could probably just do a whole, like, yeah.
Okay, last up we have the garlic and herb. Herb. Princess corrects me on this all the time.
Herb.
Garlic and herb. Herb.
Anyway. Cheers. Wow. Oh my goodness, garlic. That is garlicky.
This will definitely keep the vampires away for at least a day.
Drinking one now. Oh.
Ooh.
I don't think it goes very well with the wine either.
They're like opposites. They do not like each other. They're coming to blows in the back of the house.
It's very garlicky.
It is. It's very herby. It's almost like buttery.
It's so silky and herbed. It's definitely silky and herbed. I was actually thinking I was gonna love the garlic herb the most, and
We over garlic herb.
We
We'll
do.
put garlic in everything.
but I actually think I like it the least.
I'm gonna give that one a 3.
I'm gonna agree. I'm gonna give that a 3 as well.
So then our rankings are.
These two are tied right now, and then this one. So this one's just out of the running at this point. We should probably just try, I don't know, these two with the chips.
No, we'll bring in the chips. So we'll set the garlic and herb off to the side. And we have Whole Foods chips. This is where we got most of these cheeses. We couldn't find crackers we liked, so we ended up with house-made chips
Foods
from
chips.
Whole Foods. Lightly salted. Are we gonna spread like civilized beings?
I suppose.
Let's go with the classic chive first.
All right. Eh.
You.
Ah, I took the whole thing.
I got you. I got you. That tiebreaker.
Cheers. Oh my god.
Ooh.
That just made that a million times better. Wow.
The way it perches on that chip, it's like superhero status. Ooh.
That is really good.
I was not expecting this to drive the difference just by adding the chip. Whew, that's gonna be hard to beat.
Yeah.
Hard to beat, Cotton. Hard to beat.
I'm gonna keep it, actually I'm gonna say it's a 4.5, maybe a 4.75 with the chip.
I'm giving it a 4.5 with the chip. That was just like all of the senses at once. Taste, smell, touch. And then let's try this winter truffle.
I don't even know why we're using a spoon with that when we can just dip it with the chip.
Okay, let's do a chip dip then. It's soft enough.
So I'm gonna grab a little bit more. Yeah. Here we go. Cheers.
Maybe I would have to went down with the chip.
It's, yeah, it's like eh. It's like eh.
I think because the winter truffle is such a divisive flavor, that it will highly depend on the kind of chip you pair it with. Would it be like a chip or a toast or a cracker, or even like a... I think the winter truffle would be really good with a plant-based meat.
I actually think it would be really good if you used it as like if you stuffed like a croissant, like if you made a vegan croissant and you stuffed that in it, or
So like a vegan version of the
like a stuffing
mushroom croissant we had at Festival of the Arts.
Yeah, something like that.
That would be interesting.
I feel like we should just try it with the garlic herb too.
I need another chip thing. I ran out of chip.
Oh, my bad.
I rationed my chip incorrectly. Let's try the garlic herb then.
All right.
Going in.
Oops, sorry.
A little bit more. There we go.
Oh, some more too. Okay. Cheers. Better. Ooh, much better. Ooh, that's really good now. Interesting how it changes so much.
Let's sort of mellowed out the garlic and brought the herb out. With the chips, I think the ranking's different. Like, I feel like the winter truffle is last.
I agree.
The chive is first, and then like the
garlic herb is second. Yeah.
That's really
agree.
weird.
So I guess the moral of the story is all of these cheeses are amazing, but what is important is what you use it with, how you use it.
Luckily, Miyokos has given us the option of choice. So you can choose all of these cheeses or just one, whatever fits your palate or occasion. I'm excited to see what else Miyokos cooks up, mainly because this is one plant-based cheese company that is devoted not just to making an alternative, but the art of making that alternative. So the art of making cheese, the art of making butter, that's kind of like their mission statement. And it's the difference in quality between this and every other plant-based cheese is astounding. That's a big gap. Very big gap. We'll settle for some others.
Like
but what we really want is Miyokos.
Yes, Miyokos is definitely our #1 favorite. I would say Violife is #2.
Yep.
We like the Chow cheese as well.
Even Daya is stepping up their game. Not by much. Daya cheese. Stepping up their game.
I still am not a big fan of Daya cheese, though.
I think it's like Miyokos, Violife, and then Follow Your Heart.
Oh, yeah, I love Follow Your Heart. I forgot about that one.
Daya's still...
Yeah, Daya's still at the very bottom.
Still towards the bottom. But I want to know what you guys think. Have you tried any of the Miyoko cheeses? Even though the ones mentioned here, have you tried the mozzarella? There's also like a farmhouse cheddar spread they have.
I don't like that one.
I love that one. I get them every time I get it. But I want to know which ones you've tried. What's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If there's some plant-based cheeses you feel that we're leaving out of said rankings that you think can challenge Miyokos to the crown, we need to know about those in the comments below. If there's any other product, food, place, thing you would like to go see us try, that's always going to be a place to find us. Hit that notification bell if you want to see other videos like this, and
we have new videos 5 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
We'll see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.
And like this video and comment.
And if you don't, I'm going to ban her from getting plant-based cheeses.
What? I'm a cheese.
You heard the bear.
I'm a cheese.